G'day, I'm John Ford, editor of Caravan World magazine. Last year, we did a series of stories about improvements that we made to my 200 Series LandCruiser, which started off as a stock standard GX. I promised to come back after we'd done some travelling, and we've actually now done nearly 60,000 Ks over the last 18 months. As part of that, we chose some driving lights, these ones from Narva. I've always believed in having driving lights on an off-road vehicle, going back to early Land Cruisers that I had with Super Oscars, and we thought they were fantastic. But the new series of LED driving lights have really changed that. These ones I really like. I think the look of them's great. They've got these really easy to move covers and a poly cover on the front, which is guaranteed for 7 years. That's pretty good. Even if you hit a roo and that's damaged, they'll replace it for you. They come with different colour trims, and you can also get a clear or an orange cover for fog or dust conditions, which would also look pretty cool, I reckon. The vision is out to 700 metres and 60 metres wide, which is heaps for off-road driving or for driving in conditions in outbacks where you want to know whether there's a roo on the side of the road or a big bull waiting up in the middle of the road to bring your car apart. I love them. They were really easy to install, come with a wireless harness. You don't need to wire them back to the dash, so it's all automatic and legal. They work really well. I really like them.